Well, welcome back to super cold Ohio, everybody. And I'm sorry if I sound funny today. I'm losing my voice. I've been working midnights, our coldest week of the year, and it's getting to me. I'm starting to lose my voice here, but right now it's like 8 or 9 degrees. And normally the girls take care of the chickens, but for the past couple days, I've been doing it because I don't want them coming out here and not feeling good. So tonight, I think will probably be our coldest night of the year. And lucky me, I have one more midnight left. But yeah, it's supposed to get down to like -10. It was -4 last night, I think. But as far as us here at the farm, I've saved my best firewood for last, and the house is like 73 degrees right now, so we're doing really well with the DS stove. But there are some things that I want to just kind of prepare for, and we're going to do that here in a second. And then to top it off, I think we got some more snow heading this way this afternoon, which we've gotten a good bit of snow too. And we got some eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I bet you they're frozen solid, so I'm going to be careful. I'll tell you what, these chickens that we got are by far the best layers we've ever had in the winter. They've been laying the whole winter. Normally, the other chickens we had, they would quit for majority of the cold weather, but these ones just keep cranking them out. So there's a tote I got from my parents the other day, and then my really good hot burning stuff is in this tote. As you can see, we still got plenty of that left, so we've only got a couple more days of this super cold. So right here on my basement door going out of the house, I went ahead, I had some wind coming through, some cold air, so I put these rubber flaps on there, and you can see the frost build up. Especially on this one. That's how much air was coming through there. So that's really helped us out a lot too. But there are a few other things that concern me about keeping the house warm for the family when I'm not here. So there's really only 3 things that can mess me up heating the house with this stove. And one is if we lose power. And the other 2 are the 2 fans that are on the stove. The draft blower, and then the blower that blows the heat up through the ductwork. So we're going to address all of these issues today. Now this first one's easy because if we lose power, I have this generator that I keep down here in the basement. But it's been, I think I started up in the fall, so I just want to let it run for a little bit today just to test it. See if she'll fire up. Yeah, like a choker. Let that run a few minutes. So the power is taken care of with the generator. All we have to do is plug in the stove to the generator and it will run normal. The only other 2 things that can happen is there's the ductwork blower in here, and then we got this draft blower right here. If one of them would go out, the stove's not going to run right, and if this ductwork blower goes out, it's not going to blow the heat up through the house at all. So I'm going to look into what it would cost to get replacements for these, and then I'm going to go ahead and order them. That way I have them here, and if they go bad, I can switch them out real quick. Alright, this thing ran for about 10 minutes, so that's good. It's working. And then I'll put some stable in it, and then that'll be ready to go whenever we need it. Okay, so I went ahead and called DS directly, and I asked them if they could give me the prices directly for the new draft blower and for the main fan blower. And I'm going to put up the chart that they emailed me back. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and order the draft blower now, and then the main ductwork blower, that'll be something I just work my way up to, and then eventually I'll have both of them, and then we'll be ready to go. So that way, if something happens, we can switch them out quick. Because for me, I would hate to be in a situation right now where we get into the negatives every night, and then something goes wrong, and you need that heat right now. And this is how we heat our home. So we need to be able to fix it quickly. So that's why I'm just trying to think ahead a little bit. All right, so today we're covering 2 of the 3 problems that could happen with that stove. We have a generator that works, so if we lose power, we're good. And then I got a new draft blower coming in case that goes out. The only other thing to get would be the main fan for the ductwork. So we'll be pretty much covered and ready to go. But that's pretty much all for this video. I know it's a short video, but that's because there's not much going on because it's just so cold, and we're just trying to hunker down, stay warm. I've got a bunch of projects in the garage over there that I'll be making videos of here soon. And then if you didn't see my live stream the other day, I will be at the National Farm Machinery Show, which is February 12th to the 15th, and I'll try to be there most days. And then I also have another neat little field trip video coming up here in the spring, so be sure to stay tuned for all that. And like always, guys, we appreciate you watching. Everybody, we'll see you in the next video. Hey friends, did you enjoy that last video? If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we post a video. And while you're there, be sure to check out our playlist and our store for some awesome farmhouse merch. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.